Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on your ONYX Boox Go 6. So to set an alarm, what you're going to do is go to the Apps tab, and you can find it in this bottom section right here, and then we're going to go to the Clock app. So select that, and once you've selected the Clock app, we're going to go to the Alarm tab on the bottom, and here you can create and set alarms. So if you want to add a new alarm, press on the plus icon on the top right, and then select the days that you want the alarm to play on, and then press on the time, like on the clock right here, to change the time. And you can change it by dragging this little circle on the time that you want, and after that also changing it to AM or PM. Then if you tap on the minutes, you can also change the minute when the alarm plays out. So there we go, I've selected that. Now we're going to press OK. You can change the ringtone right here. So if you press on that, you can select a different ringtone to play, and you can also change tags so you can like sort your alarms. So now let's press OK. As you can see, the alarm has been added and set already. So if you want to turn it on or off so the alarm plays or doesn't play, you just press this toggle right here. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.